Good day guys, and welcome. Today I'm going to show you the vacuum suction problems. As you can see, I have a vacuum here. It's the most common vacuum that everybody have in his house, and it's got a suction problem. You can see not very, doesn't really work. You can see today will show you how to solve this problem. First you need to check up your pipe here. If you can see your pipe is clean or you can see it's dirty here, very dirty here. You must just check this pipe first and you check this. See you got a sucking here, it's got suction here, very good suction here, maybe something stuck in the pipe. So first you need to open and see what's the problem here. To open, you have to have a two clips, one this side and other one this side. So you have to open it just like this. Okay, now it's open. You just pull it up. It's got a motor here. This is a filter here, the big filter. You must just put it aside, and then you can see here. You see how much dirty it is. Just put it aside also. See what is going on inside. So first we have to clean this thing and then later we'll clean the filter. Clean this one, we're going to need a bin or a plastic. Let's put it in the bin. See, it's clean here. Okay, the most hard part here is clean the filter. What you must do to clean this filter, you don't need to wash it. Just get a hard brush, any hard brush like this to clean the carpet. Let's just wipe it one way down. Okay guys, you can see it's clean now. You see, it's not properly clean, but it is clean now, as the suction will be good. It will give a good performance now. So here's the top. You must also need to wipe the top and the pipe inside. See, it's very dirty. Must just wipe it also. For a better performance, you have to clean it very nicely, because sometimes something gets stuck into the pipe or into the filter, then doesn't give a good performance. So people think it's faulty now and people throw it away. You don't need to throw it away. You just have to do is to clean it nicely. See, the cup is clean now. So the motor here sometimes also get a problem. It's got a fan inside. Maybe sometime the fan got broken or fan got loosened also. That's why you get a suction problem also. So, but it's gonna be a very long topic. I'm not gonna open it now. So for now it's working fine. So I'm just telling you, for sake of your problem, if you have a problem not solving with the cleaning pipe and a cleaning filter, then the problem might gonna be here. So not a problem. Okay, now we need to wash the pipe, because pipe we cannot clean it from inside. So I have to wash the pipe. You can see it's very dirty. You can see that. You can see the paper coming out of the pipe. You can see how much dirty is the pipe. See how much dust has. You can see from here. See that it's gonna black the sink pipe also. So that's why I'll throw it into the bin. Do not let this thing go into the sink pipe, otherwise your sink pipe will be blocked. This is the main reason I wash the pipe, because sometimes you cannot get the things out and then you think the problem is still there. I don't have the pressure pipe access here, that's why I'm washing it on the sink. You see how much dust coming out of the pipe. As I mentioned earlier on, you have to clean it very nicely for the best performance. If you not clean it properly, you will never get the performance of your vacuum cleaner. You will be never satisfied of it. You can see how much dust coming out of the pipe. Okay guys, you can see it's now clean it very nicely. You can see that the pipe is clean already. So what are we gonna do now? Put to the side, put everything back together. So when you take out your filter, must watch how you take it off, because this thing is supposed to be here. If you will put it here like this and like this, it's not gonna fit. So you must place it back, and then you can see here. Place back your filter and place back your motor. See here. Back together. Put the pipe also. Okay, the pipe is a little bit wet, so you need to dry it. Just put it on. See the suction. Not gonna clean the dust, because all the dust is going to stuck inside of the pipe again. I will do it later, because the pipe is still wet inside. You can see the pipe is still wet, so not gonna clean it with this now, because I just cleaned the filter and the pipe, so it's gonna be dirty again. So yeah, as you can see, the suction is very good now. There is no problem with it. So thank you very much guys. Please like and subscribe also. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again. Bye bye.